Hello friends, welcome back to Anglophone English Grammar Course. This video is on pronouns and their types. Pronouns are an essential part of our language and are used to replace nouns and other words in a sentence. They can help us avoid repetition, create variety in our language, and simplify our speech or writing. In this video, we'll explore the different types of pronouns and provide examples to help you understand how to use them correctly. Firstly, let's have a look on pronouns. What are pronouns? Pronouns are the words that replace the noun phrase, or other pronouns in a sentence. They are used to avoid repetition and make sentence more easier to understand. For example, instead of saying John went to the store, John bought some milk, we can say John went to the store and he bought some milk. In this case, he is a pronoun used in place of a noun. Types of pronouns. There are several types of pronouns: personal pronoun, possessive pronouns, reflexive pronouns, demonstrative pronouns, interrogative pronouns, and relative pronouns. Let's take a closer look at each type. Personal pronouns. Personal pronouns refer to the specific people or thing. There are two types of personal pronouns: subject pronouns and object pronouns. Subject pronouns. These pronouns are used as the subject of a sentence. It includes I, you, he, she, it, we, and they. Let's have a look on some sentence examples. She is a doctor. They are coming to the party. In these sentences, she and they are pronouns used in place of a noun and are used as subject, so they are subject pronouns. Object pronouns. These pronouns are used as an object of a verb or preposition. It includes me, you, him, her, it, us, and them. Let's understand them by some sentence examples. I gave him the book. She is talking to them. In these sentences, him and them are pronouns but used as an object, so we can say that these are object pronouns. Possessive pronouns. Possessive pronouns show the possession or ownership of something. It includes mine, yours, his, her, its, ours, and theirs. Let's have a look on some sentence examples to understand them correctly. The book is mine. The car is theirs. In these sentences, mine show the possession of a book and theirs show the possession of a car. So mine and theirs are possessive pronouns. Reflexive pronouns. Reflexive pronouns are used to refer back to the subject of a sentence. They always end in self or selves. It includes myself, yourself, himself, herself, itself, ourselves, and themselves. Let's look at some sentence examples. She saw herself in the mirror. He congratulated himself on a job well done. In both these sentences, herself is referring back to the she that she herself looked in the mirror, and himself is referring back to he that he is congratulating himself. So both these herself and himself are reflexive pronouns. Demonstrative pronouns. Demonstrative pronouns are used to point out a specific person, place, or thing. It includes this, that, these, those. Let's understand them by some sentence examples. This is my favorite book. Those are my shoes. In these sentences, this and those are pointing out something specific, so both are demonstrative pronouns. Interrogative pronouns. Interrogative pronouns or interrogative pronouns are used to ask questions. For example, who, whom, what, which, whose. Let's have a look on some sentence examples. Who is coming to the party? Whose book is this? In these sentences, who and whose are used to ask something. So these are interrogative pronouns. Relative pronouns. Relative pronouns are used to connect clauses or phrases to a noun or pronoun. For example, who, whom, whose, that, and which. Let's understand them with some sentence examples. The woman who won the race was very fast. The book that I read was very interesting. In these sentences, who is connecting the woman to the winner. So who is a relative pronoun that is relating a noun to the noun phrase. In second example, that is also a relative pronoun because it is relating the book to the reader. So these are some different types of pronouns. Remember that using pronouns correctly can make your speech or writing more conscious and help avoiding repetition. So this is the end of this video. Thanks for joining us. We'll see you in the next video.